The first thing is governance. You have to have governance to figure out what you're doing. Now, you know, we have so many different variations of big data out there that you have lots of stovepipes. And people want to keep their data in their stovepipes. And so when we talk about, for the Air Force, we want to be able to combine data together. This is very difficult for these people to understand, that they have to give up control over their data to, like, our data office, and understand that they have to merge it together with something else.
Yeah, right.
And so you have to have governance as to determining how are you going to do that, how are you going to have people actually work with each other in this kind of environment, that they can actually release data to other people that they don't really know, like our analysis group, to figure out some other issues that they have, and at the same time determine if the sources are authoritative, because one of the big deals we have is that everybody wants to believe that they have the authoritative source for everything. And so for the Air Force, you have to determine across the board, what is the authoritative source for the data elements in all the databases, all the authoritative data sources that we have. And on top of that, as we go to the analytics, is what tool is the best tool that you have to select for the analysis you want to get done. And how are you going to present this to the user, because that's going to be a big deal, because our user population is not necessarily analysts. It's, you know, 4-star generals and secretaries and political appointees and things, and you have to understand that they do not know all the nuances of everything that's going on. So the tool set is very important. So as we do this, we're trying to figure out how you're going to do that, how you're going to set up the organization to actually support this. And for our case, as I said, we want to be a service organization. We do not want to do the job of everybody else. Because as soon as we start doing that, we need a staff of, you know, 200,000 people. So we're trying to keep that down. Can't do that. And the other thing is, you have to figure out some kind of training that you have to support. You've got to train the people into understanding what's going on. We have to train our data scientists. We have to train people into what we want to get out of this particular, you know, the data that they're actually going to. And the last, which I'll mention, is the security classification of the data. Sure. As soon as you combine it together, you may increase the security classification. You have to control it anyways by some means, and it has to be automated, because otherwise you'll lose control. So those are the things that you have to watch out for.